wabarakatuh. My name is Disya Futhi Rahma Dini. I am from Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. UHAMKA University. In this video, I will explain about two material. First is absolute value and the last is quadrilateral relationship. First material is absolute value. What does absolute value? Absolute value is the distance any number is from zero. The absolute value is always positive. Symbol of absolute value is two vertical lines. They are called bars. Example. Look at these pictures. Absolute value means only how far a number is from zero. 6 is 6 away from 0, and negative 6 is also 6 away from 0. So, the absolute value of 6 is 6, and the absolute value of negative 6 is also 6. More example. The absolute value of negative 9 is 9. The absolute value of 3 is 3. The absolute value of 8 minus 3 is 5. The absolute value of 3 minus 8 is 5 too, because 3 minus 8 is negative 5, and the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. And then the absolute value of negative 3 times 6 is 18, because negative 3 times 6 is negative 18, and the absolute value of negative 18 is 18. Next material is quadrilaterals relationships. In this material, we talk about what does quadrilaterals, how many types of the quadrilaterals, and how relationships of quadrilaterals. What does quadrilaterals? There are many different types of quadrilaterals and they all share similarity of having four sides, two diagonals, and the sum of their interior angles is 360 degrees. They all have relationships to one another, but they are not all exactly alike and have different properties. Types of quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals has three types: parallelograms, trapezoid, and kite. Parallelogram has a section that is rectangle and rhombus. And then square is a part of rectangle and rhombus. Trapezoid. Trapezoid has a part that is isosceles trapezoid. Parallelograms. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel. From the definition and the pictures, we get point. Both pairs of opposite are parallel. Example, line AD and line BC are parallel, and both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. Example, line DC and line AB are congruent. Next, opposite angles are congruent. Example, angles A and angle C are congruent. Angles D and angles angles B are congruent to diagonal bisect each other. Rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles and 2 pairs of congruent sides that are parallel. At least one right or all right angles. Second, diagonals are congruent. Example, line AD and line BC are congruent or parallel, and line AB and line DC are parallel too. Rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides. All sides are congruent. Diagonal bisect angles. Diagonals are perpendicular. Square. A square is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles. It also has perpendicular diagonals. 4 sides are congruent and 4 angles is right angles. Trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has only one pair of parallel lines. Next is isosceles trapezoid. Isosceles trapezoid is trapezoid in which the base angles are equal, and therefore the left and right side lengths are also equal. Example, line AD and line BC are equal. Line DC and line AB are parallel sides. Kite. A kite is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of consecutive sides congruent. No opposite sides are congruent. Its diagonals are perpendicular. Relationships of quadrilaterals. Rectangles, rhombus, and square are all parallelograms. A square is always a rectangle and type of rhombus. Trapezoids and kites are not parallelograms. A rectangle and rhombus could be square.